What comes to mind when you hear the word design? A sleek new phone you can wear like a watch? Maybe a fancy sports car? Most of us see design as something that makes our lives easier, safer, better.
Such an easy meal to put together.
But do they feel that way in the developing world? Of course they do.
I think the notion that because somebody is poor, they don't have the same appreciation for beauty or function is completely erroneous. It's incredibly insulting if you really think of it.
Yves Behar is one of the country's top industrial designers. And for him, design is more than just a job. It's a lifestyle. He designed the offices of his San Francisco company, Fuse Project, and they stand as a sort of museum to all he's made.
It would sense my phone as I approach it.
And yet one of his proudest achievements isn't something he made for Prada or Samsung. It's a pair of $5 eyeglasses.
There's a great proverb I learned from Finland that says the poor can't afford bad design, cheap design, low quality design. Why? Because you have to buy it again, because it breaks down.
The glasses, millions of pairs, are being worn by Mexican school children.
They're designed with a very special material called Grilamid, and that material withstands high levels of distortion, wow. Which is important for, when you're a kid. You probably often sit on those glasses, so they need to survive childhood, I guess.
The Mexican government hired Behar to solve a problem. Poor kids who needed glasses were choosing to go without them rather than wear the decidedly unstylish pairs the government had been handing out. Behar's design changed that.
Every child you provide with a pair of eyeglasses is actually going to become a better learner.
Cheap, durable glasses are one thing, but what about a cheap, durable computer for kids in the developing world? Yep. He designed one of those, too.
The criteria that were brought to us at the beginning of the project were tremendously difficult to think of at the time. A $100 laptop that could be powered with a fifth or less of the amount of energy that it takes to power a laptop we have here.
With education,
today, more than 3 million of these inexpensive laptops are in use from Cambodia to Brazil. They're even celebrated on an Uruguayan stamp and on Rwandan money.
I actually don't even know of any other design ever that's ended up on a nation's money.